This session is all about Unit 1 storage classes. Storage class represents the visibility and the location of a variable. It tells from what part of a code we can access a variable. A storage class is used to describe the following things: the variable scope, the location where the variable will be stored, the initialized value of a variable, a lifetime of a variable, and who can access a variable. Thus, a storage class is used to represent the information about a variable. A variable is not only associated with a data type, its value, but also a storage class. There are four types of standard storage classes are there. They are register, auto, static, and extent. Auto, it is a default storage class. Extent, it is a global variable, and static, it is a local variable which is capable of returning a value even when control is transferred to the function call. Register, it is a variable which is stored inside a register. Auto storage class. The variable defined using auto storage class are called as local variables. Auto stands for automatic storage class. A variable is an auto storage class by default if it is not explicitly specified. The scope of an auto variable is limited with the particular block only. Once the control goes out of the block, the access is destroyed. This means only the block in which the auto variable is declared can access it. A keyword auto is used to define an auto storage class. By default, an auto variable contains a garbage value. Example, auto keyword int age semicolon. Next comes a static storage class. The static variables are used within function or file as local static variables. They can also be used as a global variable. Static local variable is a local variable that retains and stores its value between function calls or block and remains visible only to the function or block in which it is defined. Static global variables are global variables visible only to the file in which it is declared. Example of static storage classes: static keyword int count is equal to 10 semicolon. Next comes extend storage class. Extend stands for external storage class. Extend storage class is used when we have global functions or variables which are shared between two or more files. Keyword extend is used to declaring a global variable or function in another file to provide the reference of variable or function which have been already defined in the original file. The variables defined using an extend keyword are called as global variables. These variables are accessible throughout the program. Notice that the extend variable cannot be initialized. It has already been defined in the original file. Example of extend is extend keyword void display function semicolon. Next is a register storage class. You can use the register storage class when you want to store local variables within functions or blocks in CPU registers instead of RAM to have quick access to these variables. For example, counters are a good candidate to be stored in the register. Example, register keyword int age semicolon. The keyword register is used to declare a register storage class. The variables declared using register storage class has lifespan throughout the program. It is similar to the auto storage class. The variable is limited to the particular block. The only difference is that the variables declared using register storage class are stored inside CPU registers instead of a memory. Register has faster access than that of the main memory. Examples: auto. The auto storage class is the default storage class for all local variables. The example shows the two variables within the same storage class. Auto can only be used within function, that is local variables. Next example, static. Keep in mind that the static variable has a default initial value 0 and is initialized only once in its lifetime. Global variables are accessible throughout the file, whereas static variables are accessible only to the particular part of a code. The lifespan of a static variable is in the entire program code. A variable which is declared or initialized using static keyword always contains 0 as a default value. The static storage class instructs the compiler to keep a local variable in existence during the lifetime of a program instead of creating and destroying it each time it comes into and goes out of scope. Therefore, making local variables static allows them to maintain their values between function calls. The static modifier may also be applied to global variables. When this is done, it causes that variable scope to be restricted to the file in which it is declared. In C programming, when static is used on a global variable, it causes only one copy of that member to be shared by all the objects of its class. Next example is the extend storage class. The extend storage class is used to give a reference of a global variable that is visible to all the program files. When we use extend, the variable cannot be initialized. However, it points the variable name at a storage location that has been previously defined. When you have multiple files and you define a global variable or function which will also be used in other files, then extend will be used in another file to provide the reference of defined variable or function. Just for understanding, extend is the keyword used to declare a global variable or function in another file. Here, extend is being used to declare count in the second file, whereas it has its definition in the first file main.c. Now compile these two files. When this program is executed, it produces the result count is 5. Next example is register storage class. The register storage class is used to define local variables that should be stored in a register instead of RAM. This means that the variable has a maximum size equal to the register size and can't have the unary operator applied to it. The register should only be used for variables that require quick access such as counters. It should also be noted that defining register does not mean that the variables will be stored in a register. It means that it might be stored in a register depending on hardware and implementation restriction. Thank you.